My dear friends, welcome to the second video in the series 21 Short Meditation Techniques. Today's meditation is very ancient and it's a secret looking technique, one of the most powerful techniques for transformation. Most often in our day-to-day routine, we feel exhausted, low in energy and fatigue. It happens because of constant extroversion. Our consciousness is always outgoing. When you look at an object, the energy flows outward. And all day long, our energy is flowing outwards. But what if the outgoing energy come back to us? Nowadays, most of the time, either we are busy in looking at our mobile screens, computer or a laptop. And all our life energy is flowing outwards. And it is creating a big leakage of energy. This is continuously draining our life batteries. We need something that the outgoing energy should come back to us. So let us talk about the technique. Just understand a simple thing. Stand in front of a mirror and look at the reflection of yours with loving eyes. Then, for a moment, reverse the whole process. Start feeling that you are being looked at by the reflection in the mirror. Not only that you are looking at your own reflection, but the reflection is also looking back at you. This is an amazing process. You will start feeling alive at that moment. It is also called as switching the roles. Go on switching the roles for 5-10 minutes. Practice it for a few days. And the beauty of this technique is you will not have to give special time to do this technique. You can do it anywhere, anytime, once you learn it through a mirror. In a little time, you will feel you are becoming more and more powerful from inside, because the energy which was flowing out has started coming back to you. And the whole orientation up to now was extroversion. Now it is introversion also, and it has to be learned slowly. Daily, just a few minutes in front of a mirror, letting the energy come back to you, so the circle is completed. And whenever the circle is completed, you feel at peace. An incomplete circle is restlessness. It is draining the energy. Once you learn it a little, practice on a rose flower, rivers, trees, mountains, sky, ocean. Wherever you get a chance to do it, and you will see a great transformation has started happening in you. You will feel joy, happiness, meditativeness all day long, because you have so much energy left in you, and that energy will show you new paths of happiness, new heights of joy, love. You will be at peace all day long. Just a little paradigm shift can transform the life. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.